Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically get the revenge badge in Bathtub Wars Ultimate. So I'm just going to select play here. So in the character selection, if you're on the toilet team, there is this one. Wait, where is it? I'm trying to find the one that requires, oh, let me go to the next page and see. Let's go to the next page again. Is it on the last page? Oh, here it is, this one. So as you can see, it requires the revenge badge. Basically, what you need to do is you'll need to either kill 200 Alliance TV Women's or Plunger's character. NPCs don't count, by the way, so you just need to kind of kill them to get the badge. It doesn't have to be 200 like Alliance TV Women's. It could be like 100 Alliance TV Women's and 100 Plunger characters. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. Then you can just go back and you can get the character, the Traitor character, and you can equip it. And you'll also get the badge later. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!